Hi there, I don't have my overhead camera today because, well, we're talking about my overhead camera. Actually, we're talking about the mod, GoPro Media Mod, and it's this actual box that's wrapped up on the actual camera itself. So what does this do for me? Well, it's going to move the USB-C connection to the outside. It's also going to give me a micro HDMI connection and a microphone connection all on the unit. It even expands and improves the actual built-in mic by extending it to the outside. Also comes with two attachments, making it really nice and easy. It beefs up the unit a little bit, which is okay too. And it does change as soon as you actually put it on the camera and start the camera up. It changes the overall format, especially when you install a HDMI cable. Then all of a sudden it's going to engage a whole new menu option, which is going to display on whatever monitor you have it hooked up to, be it a computer or anything else. So you might ask yourself, if you've got a GoPro 8, you can just use the USB-C and use a capture option for your computer, turn it into a web camera, which is perfectly fine. I've done it. I've done it for over the last 2 years since I got the camera. But what I've learned is, one, it runs super hot when you do that. Two, you're limited to basically having a high quality USB 3 cable as an extension. So you go from a USB-C cable here and you're going to get yourself no more than 10 to 12 feet away. If you need to get 25 feet, you're going to want to do that over HDMI. It just works out better. So that's what we did here. I've got two cameras, the one I'm recording on right now that you're watching this video through, and this one. And again, I think the mod is actually giving me a nicer picture than the webcam option. So definitely happy about that. As a little bonus with this case, it has that microphone jack input. So if I go and use this in an outdoor shoot, so we're going to do an outdoor video instead of an indoor video, I don't want to take all the equipment with me. But sometimes the microphone's too far away on the GoPro, so we normally set up a whole different rig. But if it's close, nearby, I can simply use our new lavalier microphone that has built-in battery pack and all the phantom power. Just plug this right into here. This is going to let me get myself at least 10 feet away from the camera with a quick hardwired connection to a lavalier. Really nice option to go with there. Now, all this arm that you see here, this is all here so this way I can actually have it as my overhead camera. Is the media mod from GoPro. And this particular model that we have it on is the Hero 8 Black. I hope this video helped you out a little bit. Again, we use it for overhead, we use it for B-roll, we use it for all kinds of things. It just works out well as a camera. So getting the actual mod, spending the bucks on it, I'm not disappointed with it. It just makes the camera that much better. Maybe I'll see you in the next video. Like I say, thanks for watching. Bye for now.